Do you have a bowl, please?
Yes, I do. That one, last one.
Get it hot, and we'll finish it in the oven. Rib.
I'm gonna put voiceover and do review of this
My mom would like to see
pan.
me do this. Alright, up to me now.
Nice. Looks amazing. This is the chicken fajita, and mushrooms are in the
That's
oven.
rib. Those are ribs without bones. Huge ribs.
If your parents, for example, were like easygoing, you can be super paranoid and opposite. So for me, my parents didn't care about me, so I'm gonna be paranoid parent. 100%.
I never heard you say that.
Yeah. No, I mean in terms of like I was more like whatever I want to do, I could do. You know.
They just didn't have any control.
They just basically had already 2 kids they wanted, and I was like just extra cherry on that cake. Beautiful. Amazing.
Almost like tuna steaks. Ooh.